In this video, we will be reviewing how to update and view your club and unit's information on the muratshrine.org website. To begin, select For Members from the menu and Clubs and Units. The page will then display a list of all of the current clubs and units that are listed on the Mura website. If you need to add a new club or unit, you will need to click the Add button. This may require some assistance from the fraternal office, as the information needs to be in the fraternal database prior to adding on our website. For the example today, we're going to scroll to the Corvette Club site, and we're going to look at how we can customize their page to include information that they have from their Facebook site. So we're going to click on Learn More, and you'll see that they have no header image, and they were using the generic profile picture on the last site. Also, their Facebook link doesn't work, and they're missing some information. Although you will notice that their club and unit officer list has been pre-populated from the fraternal office's database. To begin editing, you're going to click on the Edit pencil in the upper right-hand corner of the image. This is best done on a desktop computer, not on a mobile device. If you are not logged in to the site, it will prompt you to log in. I suggest using either Facebook or Google for single sign-on, but you can create your own username and password if you'd like. So now that I'm logged in, I'm going to click on the pencil one more time. From here, we can see all of the fields that populate the information on the previous page. You'll see that you can update the club or unit's name, the meeting date, how a new member should reach out for information. This is where we're going to put the link to the URL, the Facebook URL, your Divan's rep's name, along with images to customize your page. Here is also where you will select if you are a club or a unit. If you would like to link to your club or unit's PayPal account, we can do that. It does require your club or unit setting up your own PayPal account, and then you can click on this and you can link to your club or unit's PayPal URL. If you don't have that, don't worry about it. And then below, you can add a custom description about what your club or unit does. So we're going to begin by visiting the Corvette Club's Facebook page and see what information we can borrow from there. So we're going to click on this image, and I'm actually just going to save this image into my downloads folder. And we'll come back here. And this is that header image, and I said we can replace this. So we're going to replace that with this logo, or with this image. And you'll see underneath that, it shows that there is a file now. And then we can add a custom. So for the Corvette Club, we can use the same image. It'll just crop it a little bit. Also, we'd like to come back to the Facebook page, all the way to the top of the Facebook page, and we're going to select the URL for the club, and we're going to paste it here. I'm not going to put a description in. I'm sure that the club or unit rep for the Corvette Club will come back in and do this, but you have the opportunity then to also write out a description about what your club or unit does. We're going to hit submit. That will post the change. You now see that it has this nice overlay. If we click on Facebook, now it opens up the Corvette Club's Facebook page. Another nice feature of our new website is the ability to add an announcement. So if the Corvette Club had planned a meeting and they needed to cancel it, one of the things they can do is go to their page and click on Add Announcement. From here, you can fill in an announcement title, show until, so this is when the post will get hidden. And then from here, you'll select the drop-down box for your club or unit. Insert your name and type your announcement below. If you have a file that you need to add, you may add a file by clicking on Add File. Press Submit. And you're probably wondering what that did. So we will scroll back down to our Corvette Club. Here you see the nice new image. We're going to click on Learn More. You'll see here is their This is a Test announcement right at the top, and that will be hidden on February 6th. And also, if you go to the news page, you'll see This is a Test. So it will also post, and we can go all the way back to the home site actually. It'll even post on the home page for muratshrine.com, muratshrine.com. So that is a really wonderful new addition to help your clubs and units communicate using the website. That concludes this instructional video on how to add and update your club and units information on the Mura website.